In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain in Wix. Let's get started right from your Wix account. First, log into your Wix dashboard using your usual details. Once you're in, look at the very top of the page for the search bar. This search bar is a quick way to navigate Wix. Click into it, type the word domain, and then from the drop-down search results that appear, choose domains. This will take you to the area where you can search for and purchase your new domain name. On the domains page, you'll see a search field where you can type in the name you want for your website. Enter your preferred name along with the extension you'd like, such as .com, .net, or .shop. When you're ready, click the search button. Wix will now check if that exact domain is available. If your chosen domain is available, you'll see an option to get it. Go ahead and click Get It to move forward. If it turns out that the domain is already taken, don't worry. Wix will automatically show you some alternative suggestions that are close to what you typed. You can either pick one of those or adjust your original search and try again until you find something that fits your brand. Once you've selected a domain, you'll be asked to choose the registration period. This is how long you want to own the domain for, usually 1, 2, or 3 years. Take a moment here to think long term. Longer registration periods often work out a bit cheaper per year and help make sure you don't forget to renew. When you've decided, click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your contact information. This will include basic details like your first and last name, phone number, email address, and your physical address, including country, city, and postal code. There's also an optional field for a company name. You'll see an option to use this same information for the technical and administrative contacts as well, which is usually the simplest choice. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll now choose your privacy settings. Here, you can enable private registration. Turning this on hides your personal contact details from the public TRUICE database, which helps reduce unwanted spam and keeps your information more secure. Select the privacy option that works best for you, then click Continue again. Finally, it's time to complete the checkout. Review your information, select your payment method such as a credit card or PayPal, and confirm your purchase. After your payment goes through, your new domain will be registered to your Wix account and you're all set.